This is a demonstration of the white vinyl cascade window I actually have installed in my own home. This particular window is approximately 1 foot larger than the proposed. This vent here weighs 25 pounds, which means per square foot, the proposed vent should probably be about 20 pounds. From the top to the bottom of the window has a 1/2 inch extruded lip. This is what is used for opening and closing the window. As you can see, plenty of room for fingers to get on it. We're going to unlock the cam lock. You use one finger to open. One finger to close. Now we're going to do it with the pinky. One finger. Close. I hope this helps. And this is Jason. Let me know what you think.